Today, we're taking a closer look at the body side moldings in chrome for the 2014 and newer Silverado 1500s. If you're looking to upgrade your truck's exterior with a sleek, polished look, then these moldings are going to be an excellent option. They're perfect for Silverado owners who want a combination of style and practicality without the need for any complex modifications. These body side moldings are crafted to be a direct fit to make sure they align seamlessly with the contours of your Silverado 1500. The polished chrome finish adds a nice custom touch that's going to elevate your truck's overall appearance. Now, beyond aesthetics, these moldings serve as a durable barrier against door dings and scratches since they do sit out a little bit more pronounced than your paint job, helping preserve your vehicle's exterior in those everyday door ding scenarios. Their quality build is going to make sure that you have a sustained performance and visual appearance that's going to last you a long time on the exterior of your truck. They're going to be constructed from long-lasting materials and high-quality chrome to make sure they last a long time on the exterior of your truck. And speaking of construction, they are going to be made from those high quality materials, and these moldings are built to withstand the rigors of everyday use and exposure to those various weather conditions. The chrome finish is not only visually appealing, but it's also going to be resistant to corrosion and fading over time, ensuring the moldings maintain their nice chrome look for years to come. This robust construction and design ensures that your Silverado 1500 remains protected and stylish for the long haul. Now, as far as pricing goes, these are going to come in that upper 100s price range for the set of all four, which is a nice price point for a custom chrome look on the side of your truck. We're going to rate this a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and the process can be completed in just 45 minutes right there at home in the driveway. This is going to be a user-friendly installation that allows you to upgrade your truck's appearance with just this nice peel and stick install with the automotive grade adhesive right here on the back of each piece. Now, let's head on out to the shop and we can give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how that install process works.
For this install, you need a tape measure and some tape. All right, today we're gonna be installing some body side molding on our Silverado, so let's get started. All right, so now as you can see, we do have a few pieces of tape on our door. What I did off camera was just measure and level out where we're gonna put our strip. You're gonna do that with some tape and a tape measure. Just make sure you have it lined up correctly so when you get that double-sided tape stuck on there, it's nice and easy to line it up and get it where you need to so you're not pulling it off a bunch of times. Now that we did that, get this out of the way, and we'll get this on. Now, as you see, I have a little bit of our double-sided tape backing pulled off, just so we can pull it off while it's on the truck, but we have our front and back ends pulled off so we can get it stuck. There is a part number on the back here. This has ended in R, which means right-hand side. Also, there's an arrow in the back here pointing towards forward. All right, so our bar is gonna go on like so. We're just gonna line up on all of our tape marks. That front side. Make sure everything stays level and get our front and back end stuck on, and then work on our middle. Start by pulling that away, just working double-sided tape on as you go. It is in multiple sections, so it's nice and easy to do. Push that on, get a good seal. Then you can peel your tape off, just get that out of the way. And we can go repeat the same thing on the back door. So the same thing in the back, you'll see the arrow at the front on this one. Just double check you have the R in the middle of the part number. Now the bevel edge will be at the front so that when opening the door it doesn't scratch. So just line everything up. All right, now we just pull our tape off. You can go ahead and repeat all those same steps on the other side of the truck. And that wraps up our install of our body side moldings, chrome for our 14 and newer Silverado 1500. And remember, for everything Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.